Alright, all-weather HVAC, May the 16th. This is the 12K Daikin mini split after we got the coil clean. Unit's up and running right now. Can you see the fan spinning? And now the coil, you can actually see through the coil. See the color of the coil and the fins and the refrigerant piping going through the coil. There you go. And all we did was hosed it down. If the coil is not extremely dirty, you don't need any kind of cleaner. You just hose it down like this. Rinse all the dirt right down out of the fin. Take your time. Just like that. Alrighty. There you go.